Look, Mika's over in here. Okay, good job. Mika, say hi. Say hi, Mika. Look, watch, she's finding a new spot to sleep. Look. There's Mika. There's Mochi. I don't know where that one is, but maybe in my phone. Mochi, what are you doing there? She's on top of the seats. Mika, what are you doing there? Dropped dirt on my chair. Mochi, Mochi. Oh no, I think we're gonna start fighting. Mika's leaving. Oh, and Mochi's gonna leave too. No, chill. As soon as I end it, we got an MMA fight. Who will win? Mochi versus McGeesh, nicknamed by Isha. Or Mika. Who's gonna win? I think. I think it's probably. Either. I cannot. I think it's. This time it's. Again, Mochi. No, what do you think? It's Mochi, that's Mika. Mika's playing dead right now, and third one is over there. Late night, Mika and Mikish fighting. Late night cat fight. What is this? Phone your phone. I'm on my bed right now, but look. This is complete night. How long will this week last? It's a great question, because Hockey needs to sleep. Oh, look at this one. And look at that one. Who's guilty? Who's guilty? Here we go again. Look at this. Mika versus Milo. And here they are behind my computers. Mika? No. Hey, Milo. Out. Oh. Milo's back here. Where's Mika? Milo, say hi. Milo. Mika. No. Mika.喂，Mika 教緊我啲 wire 啊！ Mika's gonna pull my computer off, or I need something off. Yeah. There's the culprit. What's up, guys? It's Hockey from home. Oh, I just realized my flashlight's on. Oh well, what's up, guys? It's Hockey from home. Yeah, that was a late night cat fight between Mika versus Milo. Just in my room just now. But just like some right here, and then Miko's with the wires. So I think they're out of it. Yeah, so McGeesh versus Milo City Lift. That's City Lift knows the nickname is. Or Mika is McGeesh. Actually, I don't know if you guys know, but City Life gave Mika the nickname. So, huge shout out to City Life. Though her name is Mika, but yeah, anyways, it's been Hockey from Home. Here's what you should do: like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified when I post or stream and post a new video. And I gotta sleep. It's like 1 a.m. Eastern. Peace. I'm out. Piss.
相信兩位唔會再揾多一個人比芳芳更加熟悉世界。咁好啦，就咁決定。今晚我會錄段片放上來講，通知所有員工，我會辭去世代主席呢個職位。